What's up everybody, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing you the product spotlight. Today we are taking a look at Robert James Enterprises. Now these guys make some very high quality product. They make anything ranging from winter fronts, bug screens, to air tank and fuel tank covers. Now taking a look at the first thing we have here, this is an international winter front. So what this does is it allows your engine to breathe while keeping a portion of the cold air out, which is supposed to be pretty good for your truck. So on these you can customize the color it is, the pattern. You can get it quilted, non-quilted. This one obviously has the diamonds. You can get it with the turnbuckles or the button snaps. So the second thing we have here is the bug screens. Now these things are nice because they are going to keep bugs out of your grill for one, and then obviously saving you cleaning time. And when this is full of bugs, what you can do is just snap it off, spray it with a hose, and you're good to go, good as new. And then lastly here, we have the fuel tank covers. These things are pretty neat. They can add a cool accent to any truck, especially if you're looking for like a show truck style. Very cool. They're obviously customizable. You can get Pete logo like this one we see here. Otherwise, you can actually send us an image. We can get it made on actually any 3 of these. We can do logos on. Some of these we do have in stock, but if you do not see what you're looking for here, obviously you can go to our website, biggerchromeshop.com, and we have all the customizable options there as well. If you're looking for something very custom, go ahead and give us a call. You can speak to one of our sales reps and they'll help you build that out. Otherwise, thank you for tuning in, and make sure to follow our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you.